So today we are going to start a new topic called decimal fractions or decimal numbers. We all know that whenever a number is written with a decimal point, this point in between, it is known as a decimal number or a decimal fractions. And we use decimal numbers in our everyday life, right from money. So when we want to say $7,321.50, we put this decimal point in order to separate the dollars and the cents. Similarly, in many measurements like length, volume, and other measurements, we use this decimal point. For instance, 20.01 meters. So over here, 20 meters is the whole number, and 0.01 meter is the fractional part of it. Or we can say this is simply 1 centimeter. So it's 20 meters and 1 centimeter. So let us now learn these decimal numbers in slight detail. So consider this number, 3174.569. So over here, 3174, the number written before the decimal point, is considered to be the whole number. And we know whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and therefore 3174 is a whole number. And then we have this decimal point. And then this 569 is the fractional part. So what is the meaning that 569 is the fractional part? So let us understand this with some examples. Look at the first example, 15.2. So before that, let us consider this place value table. Till now, we have studied units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place, 10,000, and so on. But now, we will also consider this decimal point, and then after the decimal point, we have the tenths place. See the TH also. Then we have the hundredths place. Then we have the thousandths place. And as 100 is written as 100, 10 is written as 10, unit means 1. The tenths place is written as 1 over 10. And the hundredths place is written as 1 over 100. And then the thousandths place would be written as 1 over 1000, and so on. So in order to write 15.2, we should write the point below the decimal point. And then we shall be writing 15.2. We shall be writing 5 under the units place. And we shall be writing the 1 under the tens place. And we shall be writing the 2 under the tenths place. 1 upon 10. Tenths place. And we can leave this empty. This is 0 and this is also 0. Similarly, 70.08. So we shall be writing the decimal point one below the other. And then we shall be writing the 0 under the units place, 7 under the tenths place, and then 0 under the 1 upon tenths place. And then the 8 in the hundredths place, means 1 upon 100 place. Similarly, 288.07. So we shall be writing the decimal point exactly below it, and then 8 in the units place, 8 in the tens place, 2 in the hundredths place, 0 under the 1 upon 10 part, and 7 under 1 upon hundredths part. But what if, let us say what if, I just give you a number, let's say 64. So how shall you be writing 64 under such a place value table? So we know 4 is the units place. So we shall be writing 4 under the units place and 6 under the tenths place. Okay. And there will be no number in the hundredths place and no number over here also. And suppose if we really want to write this as a decimal place, we can just put a point afterwards. So remember, 64 is nothing but 64, and then we have a decimal place, 64 point. Or if you really want, you can even write zeros over here and zeros over there. Those zeros will not make any difference to the number 64.